Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn basics of a Loft and Sweep tool in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So we will switch to the part design workbench and we will create a body, and we will on our origin plane and we will select this XY plane and we will create a sketch. On this sketch we will draw a circle of diameter 50 and we will close it. And now we will select this exit plane and create our path. We will draw a very rough path and then we will constrain it with the dimension of the origin plane. Now I give the dimensions. Let's see, it is a 60 and angle will give 160 and this angle let's say 130. This point to this point let's say 60. This we will keep 100 and this one we will keep 100. And now we will come out of the sketch. So this is the basic profile. Now we will increase this height, or we will make very appropriate. Let's see, we make it 60 and this also 60. So here we have our profile and this is the path. Now we will insert the datum plane. So we will click on the datum plane and from here we will select this point. So point has been selected. So now this datum plane is a parallel. We will select this edge and from here we will click on normal to edge. So you can see that a normal to edge plane has created. Now we will select OK. Now we will select our datum plane and create a sketch. Now we will draw a circle and let's say it is a diameter 15 or we can say 20. Now we will close it. So our bottom diameter, let's say our bottom diameter was a 50, so we will make it approximately 35. Okay, now we will close it. Now we will see the loft and sweep in a FreeCAD. Now we will click on the additive pipe and from here we will select our profile. So this is the sketch 1, means first sketch. Now we will say OK. Now from here, path to sweep along, if we select on object and if we select this path, so you can see that this profile is following this path. Now we will say OK. But how we can push our path to go from this profile? To do that, we will delete it and we will on our sketch. Now we will again go to the additive pipe and click on the sketch, and now from here orientation method, in a transform mode, we will select the multi section, and here on the multi section we can add our second section, which is this one, and path to sweep along. If we click on this, then you can see that it has been following on our second profile. So this is the very basic tutorial how to use the sweep path in FreeCAD. In fact, it is very easy to customize it. If I go to my path here, if I add some fillet here, then it will looks good. So I will go to the fillet and I will add some fillet. Dimension we will constrain later. So you can see that it has been updated. So this is the very basic tutorial about how to use the sweep and loft in FreeCAD. And if I wanted to just use the loft, then I can delete it and I will on my sketch and I will off this datum plane. If I select this profile and this profile, and if I click on the loft, so it will be loft without this path. So I will say OK. So we have seen the sweep tool and loft tool in the same tutorial. So this is all about this tutorial.